Hello everybody, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So my last video got like, I think 28 views, and you know what that means. We killed it. This video is not a vlog, it's a makeup video. Woo! So I got the Conspiracy palette. If you don't know, this is the palette that Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson released as a collaboration, and they made this entire series about the making of the palette. And I am never one to buy Jeffree Star makeup, like actually never owned any Jeffree Star makeup, never owned any Morphe palette, never owned any colorful, super crazy eyeshadow palettes. Like, let me tell you guys, I'll show you the palettes I own. This is the one I use lately the most, and this is gonna be a perfect way to symbolize the amount of creativity or colors that I use in my eyeshadow looks. Yeah. But great palette, by the way, Tarte killed it. This is another example one. Okay, so we get the point. So anyway, getting this was like a huge luxury for me, and I got it not because I'm like dying to go do these crazy looks, but because the series was so good and made me feel so like invested in their process and excited and like proud of Shane Dawson specifically, because he's just one of the most genuine YouTubers. Everybody knows that. He's so scared of failure and talks about that in the whole series, and it's like, why do you think you're gonna fail? Like, there's millions of people were dying for when this palette would come out, and the whole website crashed. It was a chaotic launch day. And so, speaking of that, I set my calendar reminder. I pulled up my laptop. I was just chilling in my bed. I wasn't like gonna cry if I didn't get the palette. It wasn't like that for me, but I really wanted to get it. So I was on my computer and the clock turned to 1. Immediately the website crashed. I tried a couple times, like refreshed, blah, blah, blah. I was like, crap. Then everybody was like stayed chilling on the Jeffree Star website. I was like, let me go to Morphe. And I had both tabs open to see which one would like work first. I would get like halfway through the checkout process and it would crash again, the Jeffree Star website, and I kept trying while I was waiting in Morphe's queue. Like, you had to wait in line basically. I think like I waited for 15 minutes and then it worked on Morphe. Sorry, my dog just barked and that alarmed me. And so it worked on Morphe. And I checked out and I was like, oh my God, I just got the palette. Meanwhile, people are flipping their shit. It was crazy. I got the palette within the week that I ordered it, and I still haven't touched it. I've barely even swatched the colors because I don't know why, but I'm nervous. I'm like, oh my God. So here's like an opening look. I've not even swatched the colors really. Like, I've maybe touched the corner of one because it's so beautiful and like perfectly made that I don't want to mess up the imprinted details. But look how pretty this palette is. I mean, I feel like seeing it in person is just like a whole nother level, because obviously I saw it on screen and was like, oh, those colors are so cool, like the palette looks so cool, but when you like touch it, it's like, wow, you really feel the quality. The colors are so cool, like the yellow, oh my God, I think that's the one I'm most excited about, even though I've never worn that kind of eyeshadow. So anyway, I knew that I wanted to make a YouTube video reviewing this and using it for the first time. So this is my first reaction using the makeup. I have absolutely no plan for what kind of makeup I want to do or what color combo I want to do, nothing. And by the way, I have zero talent also. So I'm just gonna kind of wing this and we're gonna see what happens. I might totally botch my face right now, like with this palette. Seriously, I am not skilled in like eyeshadow or color combinations. I'll do 2 colors, blend them together. Dark here, light here, like that's it. So yeah, let's start doing the makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have to like stare at these colors and see what I think will look good together. 1 second, gotta wet this. BRB. I do have, by the way, some mascara on, but otherwise nothing. So let's get started. Okay, foundation. I'm not gonna cake my face. Okay, I'm realizing that I should also clarify that I do not do my makeup like the right way. Like, I'm gross. Like, I would say I do my makeup like Tana Mojo, like ratchetly. I don't have time for like baking. I even just got a beauty blender like the last month. Like, I do not keep up with like all the trends and professional techniques. I do it very quick. Like, I'm the type of person that I don't want to spend time on my makeup. I'm just like slap, slap, slap it on and then call it a day. Like 5-10 minutes is how much I spend. If I'm going out on the weekends with friends, I spend more time on it and I'll do like winged liner and stuff. I do love a good wing. I don't do it right and I don't do it that well. I think I just do it well enough though to like look fine. You know what I mean? Like, I do my makeup all wrong and probably what some people would say like a bad job. At the end, it just comes together. Like, I don't look, you know, I don't look messed up at the end, in my opinion. I don't even use concealer. Oh my God, people are gonna roast me. Luckily, no one watches me on YouTube yet, so I'm good. I'm probably in the clear. But I know some people would probably roast me. I don't even wear concealer. Is that like bad? I guess that doing my makeup on camera is making me like actually think about it and think about what I'm doing, because usually whatever, you know, I just sit down and do it like mindlessly. So now I'm like, oh my God, I'm realizing that I probably skip a million steps and whatever. And then I take my pressed powder that's like the color of my foundation / skin and put that on. See, this is my version of baking. Just fun fact is that for face makeup, I use all mineral makeup. It's brands that you have to order online. If anyone is curious, I use Jane Iredale products for the most part for my face. And she's like a very all about skincare makeup brand. So my mom taught me since I started wearing makeup to only wear like very natural makeup because there's so many chemicals. Okay, bronzer, I take like a more angled, larger brush and same thing, Jane Iredale, and I just like literally go ham. All right, a little bronzed up. All right, next what I do is I take my e.l.f. eyebrow brush. I don't know what this is called, but it's the thing with the brush on one side and a pencil on the other. Come for me, people. I barely do my eyebrows, so this is what I do. I just go from the halfway point. I don't fill in here because I find that every time I do, I look so weird, and it might be because I'm not used to like filled in brows, but I just do that. I just make them longer. I already have dark eyebrows, so I don't really feel like I need to do much to them. I just kind of fluff them out and add a little tail. Let's do a little blush. Yep, I'm messy, I know. We're almost ready. Actually, I think we are ready. Ah! Okay, I have no clue what I'm gonna do. Can't believe I'm actually gonna dip into these. That's crazy! I feel like it's a collectible. Like, I shouldn't be using it. I think what I'm gonna do is neglect the top row completely for the most part, because those are just very usable basic colors, and that's what I would otherwise use. I think what I'm gonna do is just really go crazy here, and for me, go crazy. Do 2 different looks, and I'm gonna do the bottom row on one eye and then the middle row on the other eye. Maybe not every color from each row, but almost. I'm gonna try to like combine as many as possible. The colors that are speaking to me are Diet Cola. Like, whoa, that's such a good silver. What's the Tea? Food videos. Yeah, Trisha also. Just really just gonna go for it and like wing it completely. Yeah, I don't even wear primer. Like I said, just roast me. It's fine. We're gonna go in with Trisha. Ah! Is it supposed to look like that bad? I don't know. Does this look good? I think blending's the key. Obviously the pigment is amazing. Like, I don't think I have to really say that or like talk about the quality. Like, We all know it's good. All right, I think I'm gonna take just this pink because apparently what I've seen in other videos is you're supposed to take like a similar color to blend it out at the like border. Oh my God, I'm so bad at this. Okay. Should I try a cut crease even though I have no clue how to do that? I don't know. I'm gonna take more pigment, the color, and put it inside. I think this is really pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty in pink. Maybe it always looks this bad when you start, and then it gets better when you put like lashes and liner and all that. I love the color though. I just don't know if I'm doing a good job, that's all. Okay, let's try something crazy. But cheese dust underneath. It's gonna be like a sunset vibes, okay? It doesn't look bad. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm not mad yet. I just don't see what I'm supposed to do to fix that. Now let's get into this yellow. Wow, look at that color. Ooh, it mixes with the pink and makes like orange. Okay, let's try it again, but with like a crap ton more. There it is. Whoa, I made like a sunset. Okay, am I killing it low key though? Look at that gradient. Who is she? She's a makeup guru. Okay, I gotta calm down. I'm gonna put a little more of that into the inner corner to like really pop that yellow. I used 4 colors out of the row of 6. I'm gonna take Conspiracy, which is this like greenish shimmer. Use it as the highlight shade corner. Just get some shimmer going. Wow, look at that. So right here. Oh, whoa. Whoa, I messed it up, didn't I? Maybe not. Let's just blend. I think that was probably a dumb decision, but it didn't ruin it, you know? Okay. Yeah. No, I'm fine with that. I thought I really was like about to mess it up. All right, let's do the other eye. Does it ever freak you out when you're home alone and you hear like the house creak? Like even, I know my dog's downstairs and that he makes noise, but I'll hear a noise and I'm not sure if it was my dog or not. My mind goes to bad places. I'm like, oh my God, someone's tiptoeing up the stairs right now. Like guys, I should not have watched the Chucky movie when I was like 12. Okay, this one's a little more obvious to me. I'm gonna do the purple and Not a Fact and Illuminati as the like dark outer shades, Diet Cola and Sleep Paralysis in the middle, and I think I'm gonna do What's the Tea as like the inner corner pop. Yeah, these are really good colors. Okay, I'm excited. Starting with Not a Fact. It's like this plum color. I'll move the camera so you guys can see my other eye. Okay, the more I'm looking at this eye, the more I'm impressed. Pretty, it's so pretty. I'm just adding a little more right now. Now we're gonna take Illuminati. Oh my gosh, it's dark. I'm scared. All right, this is when it starts to look like a black eye. Yeah, I definitely got punched, but we're just gonna keep going, okay? We gotta roll with it. We gotta roll with the punches. Sleep Paralysis, which is that color. Pop that on everywhere because it's pretty. Whoa. Wow, it's so pretty with plum purple under it and around it. It is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, I think this is about to like make the whole look. I'm gonna take Diet Cola. Oh. Okay, I don't want to overdo it. I'm getting too excited. I'm gonna mess it up if I overdo it. Just blendy, blend, blend, blend. Are you kidding? Take away the bad blending job. The colors are so pretty together. Wow. But in person, it's even better. These just stole my heart, these two colors. And the combination of these three. I'm gonna take What's the Tea onto the under eye. It's really cool. It's like a true minty turquoise. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I'm so good. This is, okay, let's do the liner and mascara. Mascara is on. I put it on the top and bottom lashes. This is what I use. Here's the completed eye look. Love the colors and the combination. It's just, I think I could have like been neater and blended it better, but then this eye is just my favorite for sure. But it's so pretty. It really brings out my eye. Oh, let me put on some lip. I forgot my lips looks horrible. Comment below and tell me which eye you like better, but I think there's a clear winner. So guys, that was my review of the Conspiracy palette. If you liked this video, or if you think I did a bad job with the makeup, or if you think I did a good job with the makeup, please like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.